Hello, good afternoon. I just reminded about 1 hour ago about a principle which was long forgotten in order to learn a new domain. Of course, we are now adults and we speak about a new domain. But we need to apply in every situation, in every new situation that we need to learn, we need to apply the same principle as we have learned since we were children. Now, I guess you all remember. When you had your first month, you were doing what? Crawling, yeah? You cannot walk from the beginning. You go to school. First, you hear the noise of the teacher. Second, you learn the letters. Third of all, then you need to you will learn how to write. After you learn how to write, you will start copy from a book, or the teacher will tell you what to write. So in order to create something, you need to learn the rules. Then you will copy from others which are more experimented than you. Then you master what you're doing, meaning you understand what you're doing, and only afterwards you can create. So first you hear the sound, then you learn the letter, then you learn how to write, then you copy, meaning you exercise how to write. After you know good already how to write, then you can come with your own sentence. And this is the first creation. First creation means this is your first initiative in doing something into a new domain for you. Learning a new domain means the same thing. You listen, you're being careful to what's happening. Then you learn the rules. Then you copy, you exercise in that domain again and again and again and again until you understand what you are doing over there. Once you understood, you can put yourself questions. Can I also do other things or the same things into a different way? After you try and you document yourself from others more experimented than you, then you can create your own masterpiece. So once you learn those basics, then you can learn a new domain. I'm sure everybody knew this, but in time we might forgotten some things which we consider basics, but yet we need them. I salute you and wish you happy holidays further. I hope you hit the like and subscribe, and if it's possible, to sustain this channel with a donation. Thank you very much for your time.